excited, it lets out high-pitched screams that sound startlingly human. While humorous to us, these cries are part of their natural communication behavior and hair dynamics. Humpback whale. The humpback whale is famous for its long, complex songs lasting up to 13 minutes. Each song is made up of sequences of moans, cries, and squeals repeat with rhythmic precision. It's believed these sounds play a role in courtship and social bonding, and even carry elements of cultural transmission across whale populations.